Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you. This iRonsnow IR101 Wind Up Solar Radio. It's a hand crank emergency FM and AM, and on top there is a WIB sensor radio with 4000 milliampere hour power bank included, with a Dynamo, an LED flashlight, it's a torch SOS alert, USB phone charger in one. This is the IR101. It's possible to get this in gray and green as you like. Early listing of 2023. This version's emergency radio. This is an emergency product that subverts the traditional design. It is the perfect combination of classic traditional radio and the modern technology. The special vertical design highlights the unique high-end the quality. This is probably the best knob we have ever used. It is ergonomically designed. Enlarge the knob and place it on both sides of the radio for easy operation with both hands. At any time, convenience is the key factor of the emergency product. They are sure that this patented design will satisfy us. It is superior to the top chip of similar products on the market. With more comprehensive reception signals, we will receive more radio stations and get better entertainment experience. And we get longer use life of the solar radio. Because with the upgraded classic features, 4000 mAh rechargeable battery can charge more than one smartphone, 3 super bright 1.5 watt light emitted diode emergency lamps, sharp SOS alert system, and 4 battery charging lights. 25%, 50, 75, and 100% power indicator. It is IPX3 rain resistant, and we have a 3-way power source as we like, including the hand crank, the solar panel, a Type-C cable. That means the Type-C cable can quickly charge the radio or the power bank inside. The radio's crank lever and the solar panel are both capable of regeneration. Enough power to keep the radio, the lights, and the SOS alert ready to go when we need it most. And with a super strong signals, the radio will dependably receiving up to emergency weather forecasts and emergency news broadcasts from AM and FM stereo and NOOAA. You see, this is the newest iRonsnow solar emergency radio wind up FM, AM, and WB radio with 4000 mAh and power SOS alert. And on top an LED flashlight. And of course, it's an iPhone charger, or a smartphone charger, of course, with a patented knob. This portably the best knob we have ever used. It is ergonomically designed. Enlarge the knob and place it on both sides of the radio for easy operation with both hands. At any time, convenience is the key factor of the emergency product. And it's easy, as you hear and as you can see. The radio can dependently receive emergency weather forecast and news from all the radio stations, which you can enter here easily. We have a flashlight. We press the light button to turn on the flashlight easily and press the light button again to turn it off, of course. Then we have a band selector. This is a lever. You can switch between the 3 radio selected possibilities. We have a power indicator light with LEDs, a frequency knob, a volume knob, and an SOS alert button. We turn the volume knob to turn on the radio, okay? Then it can control the volume level. We toggle a band selector and select FM, AM, or WE. We turn the frequency knob to search the station. The TUN indicator will light up when a station is received. The same operation in AM and WB band. We pull up the antenna and reorient it for the best effects. We press the SOS alarm button for 3 seconds to make the SOS alarm working. We press again to turn it off because it's really loud. But this is the main feature behind this. This should be loud, okay? That means we press the SOS alarm button for seconds to make the SLM work. And this is the key to get help from others if you are in trouble. Then the charging indicator lights up red when the solar panel receives the sunlight, which means the solar panel is charging the battery. And when not in use, the product can be placed where the sunlight can reach it and let it charge itself. The charging effect depends on the strength of the sunlight. The stronger the light, the better the effect, of course. And we have a hand cranked generator charging. We pull up the hand crank lever and grasp it. The red charging indicator lights up and means that the charging when it's turned. The lever should be rotated continuously when turned clockwise or counterclockwise, you can choose, and maintained at a constant speed of greater than 150 runs per minute for 1 minute, which supports lightning for 15 minutes and radio work for 5 minutes. And of course, we have a charging function. USB input port and output port are under the waterproof cover. We connect the Type-C for input port with a USB cable to charge the battery and the red indicator lights. We have a Type-C input and a USB 5.1 volt output. The Type-C charging cable is included. It can be used to charge the phones with the Type-C jacks only. The external dimensions are 160.2 to 91.2 to 48.4 millimeter. The weight is approximately 320 grams. The maximum power loss approximately is 5 watt for all function of the complete machine. The working voltage is 2.7 volt up to 4.2 volt. The battery capacity is 4,000 milliampere hours. If the torch is in use for the first time or we left unused it for more than 60 days, the internal battery needs to be recharged to regenerate itself. The product must not be strongly hit, dropped, or come onto contact with corrosion liquids, and then you have a lot of fun with it. And a long, good fellowship with that awesome device here. This is the iRonsnow Solar Crank Radio. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.